Hey y'all, it's West Virginia History with Mrs. B, and I am with my better half behind the camera,
Hello.
as well as...
I'm Harlow.
And I'm Huck.
And what are we getting ready to do, guys?
Well, we're going to see the
Place where pepperoni rolls were created.
Well, the place where pepperoni rolls were produced for the first time commercially almost 100 years ago. So what town are we in today?
we are in Fairmont.
We are in Fairmont. Say it loud. We're in Fairmont. And so we are getting ready to visit. How did you describe the building?
Just a tiny brick building.
We're getting to go to a tiny brick building that changed the world as people drive crazy right in front of us. And
Welcome to North Central West Virginia.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They drive like they're from Pittsburgh. And so we are going to be eating pepperoni rolls. Well, some of us are, right?
Yeah.
Some of us aren't because they don't like pepperoni.
You can get an Italian roll or something.
Yeah, so we are going to go to the bakery, get some pepperoni rolls, and we'll let you know what we think. All right, so we're now in front of that tiny brick building that changed the world. Here is Country Club Bakery, right off of Country Club Road here in Fairmont, and we're going to go in and get some pepperoni rolls.
You know, to be honest, I hadn't had breakfast.
Well,
It's okay, none of us have.
I ate like more than
Here's
12 hours ago.
Here's the hour, 7 a.m. if you need your pepperoni rolls before work, 5:30 Monday through Friday except for Wednesday, and then 2:30s on Saturday. All right, let's go.
Pretty interesting schedule.
Hey,
Oh, this is interesting.
we definitely want a dozen pepperoni rolls. Do we want cheese? No cheese. No cheese? Well, you don't eat it anyway.
Oh, yeah, right.
Okay. And then I came in without money.
I got money.
Okay, good. Do we want to get Huck an Italian sandwich?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah, we take an Italian sandwich too.
Thank you.
And I think that'll be it.
We need Harlow Cam.
Harlow Cam, as Uncle Dave pays.
Yes. This is how we pay for our food, everybody.
Thank you. Oh, and their loaf bread is really good. So and the cookies are good too. Show them the cookies, Harlow.
Display only.
Display.
Thank
you.
you.
Our receipts are not working. Is that okay?
That'll be fine.
Okay.
As long as you don't charge us $2,300 for pepperoni rolls, we're good.
We will.
All right, we'll get you.
Would you like a bag?
You want one?
Sure.
Sure, we'll take a
A
bag.
bag will be okay.
A bag will be okay?
Harlow, I want to
Alright.
point you out of view because you cannot go anywhere in northern West Virginia without the Oliveria sweet or hot peppers or the pizza sauce. That's a big deal up here.
Are you showing all of areas?
Yeah, so.
Did you get the shirt? The Country Club Bakery shirts? They're right in front of you too. Look at
We've got a blue and gold.
Look at the blue and gold right there.
And then I guess a red and white one. Because they couldn't get maroon, I guess.
Yeah. Very cool. Right?
And this is the WVU and polar bear helmets.
Look, that's pepperoni rolls. Thanks, Huck.
And our camera woman, I should say, right now.
Camera woman, Harlow. Keep it going, girlfriend. We're gonna get in the car and we're gonna eat some pepperoni rolls.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you can turn it off. Hey y'all, we got our pepperoni rolls.
Yum!
You know they're from Country Club when they have the distinctive red and green label. It says pepperoni rolls on them. So I am going to open this bag. I'm going to divvy out some pepperoni rolls. And we're going to show these bad boys to you.
I'll hold the twist tie.
You'll hold the twist tie. Okay. All right. So let me tear into these. Because this is a thing.
Here's an important question for West Virginians when it comes to pepperoni rolls. Are you team stick or are you team slice?
I'm team
For the
whatever.
folks, yeah, I'm whatever as well.
I'm team if it tastes good.
I'll pass this back to Harlow. And
Okay.
then I'll take this one.
Okay. And
Now,
then let me
Country
get
Club,
mine.
they're stick, right?
They're stick, yes. And Another question is cheese, no cheese. Because you can do both at Country Club. You can do stick. Of course, it's all stick pepperoni. But it's also, they have cheese and no cheese. So here's what they look like. Here's your shape, size.
Let me give
Look
you
at the grease on the back.
cross section here.
Oh yeah, so there Dave just pulled his apart and you can see the stick. So we're gonna dive in and eat these bad boys because they're so good. And we'll tell you what we think while we eat. Huck, who does not eat pepperoni,
I got this.
he got an Italian roll. We got that's good. I like the stick because it like has good coverage.
It's got a good bite to it.
But I like pepperoni slices too.
To be honest, I would have liked cheese. No.
Do what?
Cheese.
Cheese?
We'll do that next time.
Because there will be a next time. You cannot go to Fairmont and not by yourself. Look at that. Pepperoni roll.
And I love the bread too.
I
that-
know.
Dip it in.
I'm sorry, Harlow. We didn't bring condiments for Harlow.
Sorry.
What, she wants some sort of dip?
What does she want, Dave?
Ranch?
She wants to dip everything in
Yep,
ranch.
a weirdo like me.
Nothing
Bread and
wrong with
ranch.
it. We won't
Delicious.
judge.
Gosh, this is so soft and so greasy and so good. Man, if only people where we're from knew how to do this. Look at that. Nobody does pepperoni rolls where we're from like this.
Absolutely not. And I mean, it's very hard in this part of West Virginia because everybody's got their style. You've got the Barney's folks up in Weirton. You've got Country Club here in Fairmont. You've got Tomeros. You've got Abrazinos down in Harrison County.
Yeah.
Everybody's got their type.
To me, this is like classic. I don't think you can go wrong with the classic pepperoni roll. That is so freaking good.
So, Huck, what's the verdict on your Italian roll as soon as you get done eating?
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Can I have another one?
Sure. Arlo, what's your verdict?
I really like it.
You
You
think
want
you
a
want to try
second
with
one?
cheese next time?
You should also.
And you
try
want
the
a second
Italian
one?
roll, 'cause
You want
I
a
just
second
had
one,
it and
Harlow?
It was great.
Yes, Harley, you want a second one?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's going to have a second one.
When I
Guys,
get
not
done
only
with
should
this
you
one.
try the
Thanks.
pepperoni rolls, but you should also try the Italian bread because it's also very great.
Well, and they do loaf bread here too. That that was one of their staples. It's people came here like on a daily basis to get their bread. But they also came and got pepperoni rolls to stick in the minor lunch boxes. Thank you, Giuseppe.
So that was,
Almost 100 years ago.
yeah,
Next year.
very,
So-
very historical.
I know. And like, here's the thing. My students just think everybody knows pepperoni rolls and you can get them anywhere. But Dave, you can testify. When we were growing up in the Ohio Valley, Canal Valley, did you have access to pepperoni rolls?
The only time I had access to pepperoni rolls in the Canal Valley was when J.E. Robbins Elementary or Stonewall Jackson Junior High were having them for lunch like once a month.
Well, we have
Or
them
we
for
would
lunch.
make them at home.
As I said, we have them for lunch in Jackson County now, but we did not when I was a kid. And I will tell you, our cooks at Ripley High School make a banging pepperoni roll. Because it's hot roll with pepperoni inside. You can't go wrong with that. Because Jackson County hot rolls are whew, dynamite.
So,
Especially with butter.
so folks, make sure if you are in Fairmont or in North Central West Virginia for that matter, you got to stop by here to Country Club Bakery, get yourself a dozen pepperoni rolls, get yourself some other goodies as well, because
The cookies are good here.
the cookies are good, especially the raisin cookies. Those are to die for.
They are.
Grab you a t-shirt, grab you a jar of Oliveria's hot or sweet peppers or pizza sauce, and grab you a t-shirt as well. And check these guys out here. Country Club Bakery, just that little nondescript brick building here on Country Club Drive in Fairmont, just off of Route US 19, next to the car dealership.
They're so good.
All right.
They're just so good.
Harlow, any final thoughts?
Honestly, just try anything that you seem interested at this place, because I don't honestly know what's all here, but I do know you should try the Italian bread.
Oh, thanks for that, Huck. Try the Italian bread. Harlow, thoughts?
It's good.
It's good.
It's really good.
Would you tell the whole wide world that they need to come eat here?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. And you can do what we're doing. You can
Eat
go
in the
in, get
car.
your stuff, and eat in the car.
Yeah.
All right, Harlow, wrap us up.
West Virginia is a very nice place to be. It's a great place to live. Oh crap.
With tons of history that is all very important to our state.
Spoken
And
like
honestly-
true West Virginia history students.
Yeah. And honestly, there's a lot of neat people that you can find here.
Well, that's nice. That's good, Harlow. That's a good way to put it.
Interesting stuff that
Yeah.
you would never see anywhere else in the world.
You just have to go out there and explore for yourself.
And
Which
we'll
is
have
what we're
more
doing
for it
today.
on West Virginia History with Mrs. B, which means we need them to
Tell us.
make sure.
Subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Woo!
Never miss another video.
You don't even need me in this video anymore. These people are running the whole thing. So
I'm
we'll see y'all later.
I'm Huck.
And we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks, y'all, for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to West Virginia History with Mrs. B on both Facebook and YouTube.